Discoveries of the Scientific Revolution, Key People, Ideas, and Accomplishments. So what is Scientific Revolution? Scientific Revolution is a series of events that mark the emergence of modern science during the early modern period. It is when the developments in mathematics, physics, astronomy, biology, and chemistry transform the views of the society about the nature. Scientific Revolution Scientists.
By mid-1600s, the accomplishments of Copernicus, Kepler, and Galileo had shattered the old views of astronomy and physics. Later, the great English scientist Isaac Newton had to bring together their breakthroughs under a single theory of motion. Isaac Newton publishes Law of Gravity, or the Law of Universal Gravitation. Every object in the universe attracts every other object. Newton also published a book called The Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. It was one of the most important scientific books ever written.
In the early 15,000s, a Polish cleric and astronomer named Nicolaus Copernicus, studying planetary movements for more than 25 years, Copernicus reasoned that indeed the stars, the Earth, and the other planets revolve around the Sun. This model shows how Copernicus saw the planets revolving around the Sun.
Boyle discovers mathematical relationships between the pressure and volume of gases, also known as the Boyle's law. Robert Boyle is also the founder of the modern chemistry. Boyle proposed that matter is made up of smaller primary particles that join together in a different ways.
Kepler played a key role in the scientific revolution that occurred in the 17th century, contributing a number of scientific breakthroughs, including his famous laws of planetary motion. The three laws of planetary motion devised by Kepler are: the orbit of every planet is an ellipse with the Sun at the focus. A line joining a planet and the Sun sweeps out equal areas during equal intervals of time. The square of the orbital period of a planet is directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of its orbit.
Galileo Galilei. His ideas is the contributions to the sciences of motion, astronomy, and strength of materials. His accomplishments is the development of the scientific method. René Descartes. His ideas introduced skepticism as an essential part of the scientific method. His accomplishment is the inventor of the analytical geometry.